Hello everyone, welcome to a slightly different video than what I usually make. In this video I'm taking a quick look at the brand new Logitech G513 gaming keyboard. First off, I'd like to give a huge thanks to Logitech G for sending this keyboard out to me. I did receive this for free, so a huge thanks to them for doing that. First, opening the box, you obviously get a keyboard, a nice palm rest, extra keycaps and a keycap puller, and some documentation. A quick overview of the keyboard: you see the beautiful aircraft grade brushed aluminium with the top mounted key switches. Around back you have the USB 2.0 pass-through port. Underneath you see 6 rubber feet so it doesn't slide around. There is a cable pathway for your headphone cable. This is also included on the palm rest. The palm rest is made from memory foam, which is nice and soft, and is covered in a very nice leatherette, making it sweat resistant so you can just wipe it off. Now this keyboard comes in 2 different switches, a tactile switch and a linear switch. The model I have here is the tactile one. The sound they make are, in my opinion, perfect for gaming, not too loud and not too soft. I personally really like the Roma G switches. I've heard many good and bad things about them, but I am one that loves them. Here is a quick sound test. Now, a new feature that is included with this keyboard is Logitech G's new light sync technology. This lets you sync the lighting of the keyboard with custom effects. You can set custom profiles for apps and games to fully customize it to your liking. Another feature on this keyboard I find extremely useful while gaming is the game mode button, which can be toggled with the function key and F8. This pretty much disables the Windows key, so you don't accidentally press it while in games and tab out. While this isn't a new feature, I find it extremely useful, and for someone like me that accidentally presses keys by accident, this thing is a lifesaver. Anyway, thanks for watching everyone. I hope you still enjoyed it, even though it's not what I usually do. Again, a big thanks to Logitech G for sending this out to me, and I'll see you guys in the next one.